So one of my personal favorite chapters is chapter 6, using caching aggressively. And the reason I like it so much is that um, it basically offers advice of, the way to scale is to do as little as possible. And by that, I mean that uh, the less work your system actually has to do at all layers, then the more it can scale. Starting at the database layer, the less that your database actually has to do, the greater that it can scale in terms of transaction. And so putting caching in front of your database layer is a great way to start on scalability. And it really, Chapter 6 goes through every single layer in the application, from the database through the application servers, up through the network into your ISPs, where we discuss what we call, what are called content delivery networks. And we give some examples of how to actually implement that and the benefits of using CDNs and other caching. We also go into advice on setting headers, which are very important, so that not only your system caches and the internet caches through CDNs, but the user's browsers actually cache information as well. And this caches can be for objects on the page, such as images, as well as files that get downloaded, like the JavaScript files. So chapter 6 is a great chapter for helping with scalability, because it really it talks about all layers within the system, and it provides a way to to get you to scale all the way from the database up through your network and into the ISP. The new book is Scalability Rules, and I really hope you enjoy this podcast as well as the book.